Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
To kill some members of the DOS.
Okay.
So don't believe what she's saying.
So
Yes, she went.
I do not believe her.
No, listen. Let me clarify this thing because people need to know. She went to kill. She went to kill. She gave the list of the name that she want to kill. Okay. So the native doctor told her. Okay. Native doctor told her that he cannot kill Biafrans. Okay. Okay. And then so he cannot kill Biafrans, and because the native doctor, she confessed to the native doctor of having hand in what happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the kidnap in Kenya, and because the native doctor know, so that the native doctor also told her, so that thing didn't let her to go away. You understand? So because of the secret, because the native doctor know the secret, and because she have confessed to the native doctor, so it did not. She didn't go away. Otherwise, she would have gone to another native doctor. You understand? So she came back again. Okay. She came back again to the native doctor and began to bring names of people to tie. And then we, of course, the videos are coming. The videos, every evidence are there. The videos of the rituals where she was dancing and to the juju and was calling people's name and making incantation and all that. All those things are there, the evidences. So it is going, she knows what she have done, and she knows we have the evidence, because before she thought it was just a saga, She didn't, the person that led her to the native doctor, she killed the person. So she thought that the person have died and all evidences has gone. Okay. So when that was the reason why when we posted the picture, she says a Photoshop. Did you hear her say Photoshop again? Because she have come to see other things. No. But you know that she said Photoshop, right? She agreed. She agreed. She agreed. Did what she had to do. Yeah, she agreed the first one, agreed the second one, and then next thing is that okay, continue with your Photoshop. Then when she come to realize that it's like we have all those evidences, she killed that guy, wanted to to conceal that we have those evidences. She came and started twisting it. Oh, it is something that needs to be. It's a lie. So it is not to kill the DOS. Some people in the DOS that will bring Biafra. Okay, she wanted to kill them. Yeah. So now let me tell Biafrans one thing that they don't know. The reason why the native doctor actually, people may think that the native doctor did bad thing or something. No, the native doctor actually tied her because he don't want her to go and kill people. Okay, so after the native doctor did the juju for her, the native doctor instructed her never to go to any native doctor again. Because the native doctor knows that the next thing Nelly will do going to native doctor is to kill. So he instructed her never to visit any native doctor. Now she went to another native doctor in Anambra, and the native doctor got their alert that she has visited another native doctor. That was not enough. She went to another native doctor in Edo State. So now the reason why she went to those native doctor is there is no other reason than to kill, because the other native doctor refused to kill the people she listed their names. So my people, disregard anything. In fact, let me tell you, this is not a matter of this is not a matter of lie. It is a matter of spirit, and she knows what she have done. So she's going to confess, whether by force, or by willingly by herself. So the native doctor, she have also threatened to send military to them. In fact, that reminds me, because she threatened to send military to the native doctor, and I'm going to play the warning because when they made the warning, they say we must share it to go viral. So let me play the message in case, because she's listening, so she can bring her military and go there if she want, because this is the message coming from the man. One moment.
All hail Biafra.
One moment.
All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. IPOB autopilot.
Well, this is not it. One moment.
My sister. Sister Nako.
Okay, I will.
All hail Biafra.
Okay, this is it.
My brothers and sisters, listen to me and share this message everywhere. That is the message my father brought to me to share it everywhere. And let this message reach to Nelly of Ebu. Because a lot of people have already called the military to come in my father's house and burn everywhere and kill my father and kill everybody in the compound. Then my father said that he's ready, he's waiting for them, and they let this message go to the of Ebu to be fast and call all those military to come in his house. That is not like all those type of people where they are doing in Imo State, in Anambra, in Enugu, all those native doctors where they are killing up and down in Ebony. That he will use this one and show example for the whole world to know that there is a spirit of Biafra in Biafra lands. That is not fight off with gun, but all the military, the first group will come, all of them will die, and the military then die, military will continue, they come, and they will not stop. That will make all the military to end in everywhere in Biafra land, because they will not stop. They must surely come. All of them will die. It's not a battle of gun. That he wanted of able to be fast, because Nelly of able know his house, you know his compound, you know where he's from, you know his children. Don't let Nelly of able be fast. And all those idiots who are talking nonsense, this and that, let them know that immediately Nelly of able confess, Nelly of able will end. Nelly of able will not exist again in the world, and they will follow Nelly of able and go back to the judgment. No matter who you are, no matter what you believe, whoever, Nelly of able, you must only please Nnamdi Kanu. That is what we need. Nnamdi Kanu will speak in his house. That is the only thing. That he don't want to take Nelly of able to the judgment now. It's very simple thing. But he will not take him to the judgment. He wants Nelly of able to confess. After he's confessed, then he will go to the judgment. Because he will not carry the confess and go to the judgment, and then the color will remain there. He must really confess, everything will end. That is the message of my father. He said that let Biafrans share this message to reach Nelly of Ebu, to make sure that all those military have already mentioned they come in his house. He want to prove the words, whoever are talking nonsense, and they want to help all the Biafras to end the military something in our lands. That the first group will come, they will end, and the other group will be coming, they will not stop, except they finish in Igbo lands, except they finish in the Biafra land. All hail Biafra.
You see, so my sister, as you can see, the native doctor is not a bad native doctor. The only thing he did was to review and expose evil. Okay? So now, if they say they want to go and kill the native doctor, the native doctor did not do anything. Okay? He's only doing something that every good person should do. He is exposing the evil because he knows that Nelly Ofebu is now going to another native doctor to do some juju to kill people. That's all. So, and because Nelly confessed to the native doctor of having hand in the kidnap of Mazin Amdekan. Okay, and then the native doctor also told her that he know that she has a hand in the kidnap of Mazin Amdekan, and of course that she's not alone. There are some people in the DOS, which we have some list and all that. So, my sister, this is anything she's telling you, something that must be done, blah, 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 is a lie. She must confess completely, not indirectly. Because what she's trying to do is to indirectly confess. No. But she was denying that, claiming that what we posted was a Photoshop, until she come to understand that we have all the evidences and we can back it up with the story. Every image, every picture, every video have the explanation. We have all of them. So because of the way I bombarded her on Twitter with evidences, she now begin to change her narrative because she thought it was only naked picture. And then that's it. All right, thank you very much. So disregard her, please. And anybody that is telling you that woman this, woman dignity, I've said it before yesterday, woman this and woman that, woman dignity, Simon Ekpa sharing, that person is not a human being. Anybody that want to kill Biafra people don't have the dignity of a woman. That is it. So, and
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this session for the now about the exposition. I will be taking you all aware, and I will be taking you all step by step. I want each and every one of you to be aware of what is going on. That is why I am doing this, okay? Because at times when I make some statements, some people will say, how, where is the video? That is why before I come out to say anything, I will love you to watch the video. Then we draw our own different opinion from the particular video. Now about this exposition, I know that some people will disagree while some will agree. When somebody did not agree with your own perspective, does not mean that the person did not love you, does not mean that the person hates you. No, it's normal for someone to disagree with what you said, and it's also normal for someone to agree with what you said. So I bring it to you that how many of you understand what Simon Ekpa is saying, and how many of you believe in him, that all these things of a truth happened. And for the information reaching us is that Dr. Nelly has already blocked Simon Ekpa on Twitter. So the game begin, and I will be taking you people step by step of what is happening. And if I have any other updates, trust me, I will bring it here. So I want you to like the video, share, and drop your opinion. For me, this is that is going on between Simon Ekpa and Dr. Nelly. So my correalistic people, thank you once again for your love and support. I really appreciate. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.